Hi, this is class 9th NCRT, exercise 2.3, question number 1, which states that a student has 500 in her saving bank account. She gets 150 every month as pocket money. How much money will she have at the end of every month from the second month onwards? Find a linear expression to represent the amount she will have in the nth month. Now, what is the question saying? The initial amount of money which the student has, initial money, is 500. Now, she is getting every month, how much amount? Every month she is getting 150. We have to calculate the amount of money from the second month onward. Okay, how much money will she have at the end of every month from the second month onwards? So we will see first month. We can see this, no need to calculate it. 500 plus 150. At the end we will write, because we want to find at the end of second month. Now, how much money will she have at the end of second month? Initial 500 which she had plus 150 which she gets for the first month plus 150 which she'll get for the second month, which could be written as 500 plus 150 plus 150, that is 2 150s. So it could be written as 2 into 150. Fine. That is total amount will come 150 into 2 is 300, 800. For the third month now, how much money she will have at the end of third month? It is 500 initial plus 150 for the first month, 150 for the second month plus 150 for the third month, which could be written as 500 initial plus how many times 150? 3 into 150. So we see a pattern here. What is the pattern? The pattern states that for every month, how much total money she has at the end, how we came to that total money, there is a pattern for it. We will decode the pattern. The pattern states that it is 500 plus the month, first month, second month, whichever month, into 150. Here second month, so 2. Here third month, so 3. So here what is the pattern? Pattern is 500 plus 3 the month into 150. 150 is every month ka money. So let there be n months. If we have to find the money after the nth month, nth could be anything. It can be 10, 20, 25, 30, whatever. So I'll make a general pattern for that. That is 500 plus n into 150. N is the number of month. It could be 8 month, 10 month, 12 month. So every time we will not find in series. We can simply find a pattern. This pattern, what we got, is linear expression, which is we are required to find in this sum. So what is the linear expression? Linear expression is any algebraic expression whose variable, there is a variable in it, and the variable has a power of 1, maximum power of 1. So that is your linear expression, which can be of the form of ax plus b. So this is also in this form. A is a constant and x is the variable. So this can be written as 150n plus 500. This is your linear expression which you derive from the information given in the question, where we had to even find the linear expression for it. And how did we find that? 500 is the initial amount, Second month mein she'll get 150 for the first month, 150 for the second. So that can be written as 500 plus 2 into 150. Same way for third month, it can be 500 plus 150, 150, 150. That is 3 times 150. Third month, so 3. So if there is nth month, 500 plus n into 150, which is the linear expression for the given question.